Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am JaylahMarshae. If you're not new here, hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so today's video is going to be about how to make money on Poshmark. If you guys don't know what Poshmark is a free app where you can make money on clothes that you already own. I really like working with Poshmark. I have actually been selling on Poshmark for about a year now, and it has really helped me pay bills, and that's really helped my bills, and has also really helped me clear out my closet because your girl likes to shop and she does not know how to let go of things. And so yeah, I'm going to be telling you guys how to make money on Poshmark. Before I get started with this video, I would like to thank Poshmark for sponsoring this video. I think this is really cool. I've been selling on Poshmark for about a year now, and I've been making at least $100 a week on Poshmark. It's been really easy to make at least $100 to $200 a week on Poshmark. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video, and that means a lot to me. So yeah, so let's get started with this video. Okay, so step number uno, download the app. Download the app and download the app and just sign up. Yeah, all you have to do is just sign up with your email, whatever email that is. You can use whatever email you want to. So that's the way you can get all the emails for labels and what's sold and all of that stuff. Even though you will be getting notifications on Poshmark, it is best to, like, obviously it's best to use your email so you can print out like labels and stuff like that. Yeah, and just get started and start uploading your picture, start uploading your listing to Poshmark. By uploading listings, you don't have to use a camera. You can use iPhones, like have like the best features to me. iPhone has like the portrait feature and all that stuff. If you guys would like to, I personally have like a white background, so the comforters on my bed are white, so I just take a picture of whatever item, and I take a picture of that item with the white background, and I also use a mannequin. You guys can use a mannequin. This is my mannequin that I have. I got this from Amazon. I think this was like $16. I think this was like $16, maybe $20. But it really was not that expensive. It was from Amazon, and I love it. It worked really well. Had to put the little bando because don't want her little girl showing. So yeah. So I just use my phone to take pictures, and you can use a ring light if you want to, or you can just use the flash from your phone. And make sure the description is, make sure you title whatever item you're selling. That is, like, say you're selling a purple top, make sure you say purple short sleeve top from wherever, and make sure like you have the sizes, make sure like everything is just perfect, and make sure like in the description, if it's like a little tear, make sure you let them know like there is a tear. Just make sure your pictures are really clear and not as blurry, and just make sure that make sure like the background is kind of like a clean space, because yeah, you don't really want to take pictures and there's like stuff on the floor and stuff like that. You really don't want to do that. So I think it's best to have a mannequin, or put it on like a table, or put it on like on your bed if put it on your bed or something. Another best way is to make sure you are sharing your listings. If you guys don't know like how to do that, there is if you go to like your closet and you press on your item, there is a logo that says for like share, and you're just sharing to your followers. How many followers do you have? Just so that's the way your stuff can be seen. Make sure you at least daily, to make sure you're doing it. Like if you have like a time that you want to do it, make sure you just do it like if you're doing it at like 1 o'clock, make sure you do it like 1 o'clock, 1:30, or 1:50, or like 1:40 or something like that. So that's the way people can see your stuff and they'll buy it, or they'll offer. Make sure you're sharing to your parties. Poshmark has parties every day. The parties are always at 12, 3, 7, and 10. So there's 4 times where you can share your item. Sometimes I like 12, they have like a luxury item, or they'll have like sportswear or something like that at 12 o'clock. Like 3 o'clock is like shoes, jeans, or handbag type of party. So if you guys like just have shoes, just share your shoes to the shoes party, or share your bags to the bags party, stuff like that. And then at like 7 o'clock, it will be like menswear or kids, or it will be like menswear or kids or stuff like that. And at 10 o'clock, it's like literally whatever. It's like springtime party, summertime party. Like I know right now they're doing like chic, and like they're doing like summer parties because summer is coming up. So that's like the sharing part. Sharing is also like very important. And if you guys choose to, you guys can share your followers' items, because most of the time your followers will share your items. So sometimes it is best to, you know, they're getting your stuff out there, so it's really nice. It's really cool and nice to, you know, share some of their stuff and get their stuff out there as well. Another tip is to how to ship your items. Poshmark already has like a prepaid label that they're gonna send to you right as soon as your item has been sold. Poshmark send you a notification, and also an email, and they will send you like they will send you the label, and all you have to do is print out your label and go to your local post office. They should have like free boxes and free envelopes that you can take home, and where you can just package up your items and tape your label and go and drop them off and they will be shipped. I really do like this idea because Poshmark is really fun. Like I said a year ago, I was literally a year ago, I just thought about sharing. I just thought about like selling my stuff on Poshmark because your girl likes to shop, and there was stuff in my closet that I wasn't wearing. I literally have not worn in like years. I just sold my prom dress actually. Mind you, I've had my prom dress for 5 years. It's been 5 years since I've been to prom, and I'm not gonna use the dress anymore. I'm not gonna wear the dress, so I just sold the dress not too long ago. I'm really excited about that. I've just sold so many things that I was not wearing anymore. So yeah, and I just felt like other people can have like better use in it than I will. It's just sitting in my closet. It's just sitting there. So Poshmark is a really good app if you guys really want to get stuff out of your closet, declutter your closet, and if you feel like there's some stuff that's like still in good use and you don't want to give it to Goodwill, you can always sell it, put it on Poshmark. Another good way to like get your stuff out there is to pair it up with something. Like if you're selling a top, you can always pair it up with a pair of jeans or with a pair of shoes and stuff like that. I think that's really cool. Also, to like really get your stuff out there, you can comment on other people's stuff about how much you like their item. Don't spam them, but on their item you can tell them like, oh, I like your stuff, and maybe there could be a chance that they'll go on your closet and they'll comment, and maybe they'll be interested in your stuff. I've actually just gotten a Kenneth Cole wallet for $15 on Poshmark, and it's actually in good use. It's in really good condition, and I really like that she said it was used, and then I got it. Yeah, so and when you're shipping, make sure you ship, if you can, make sure you ship at least next day or 2 days later. So that's the way you can get good reviews and stuff like that. Luckily I have been like really good with shipping my item. Like if my items sell like on a Tuesday, I'll ship it out like that Wednesday morning or something like that. Like I said at the beginning, I've literally made at least $100 to $200 a week on Poshmark. It's really helped me pay bills. It's really helped me clean out my closet because your girl likes to shop. And yeah, and also I really like to, like, if something is like too, or if I buy something from the store, if something is too small for me or too big for me and I don't feel like taking it back to the store to get my money back, I can literally sell it on Poshmark for the same price I bought it for and still get my money back. So that is the best thing. Okay, so I think I've told you guys all the 5 steps to making money on Poshmark. Setting up an account, share your items, make sure you're taking pictures and your description is really good, and yeah, make sure you're sharing the parties and make your description is really good. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Once again, thank you so much to Poshmark for sponsoring this video. I think it's cool that you guys want to like work with like smaller YouTubers and stuff like that. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know in the description box what videos you guys would like to see from me, because I would love to film them in the summertime, so videos are coming all out. So yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.